I made this script to help you install Finish Lynx in Hytek, and it basically just runs itself. So yesterday I went and set up like a dozen laptops of Finish Lynx in Hytek, and their other software just took forever. So now I just made it automated. And right now it's going through all the Finish Lynx software and plugins, and it even types in your serial numbers. And now it's going to Hytek. And it's actually updating Hytek with the latest update file. And it also has our license installed. And now we're all up to date.